Ronak sir, this is Apol. I'm a student of the 5-day WhatsApp course, and this was day 4. I completed day 4's task, and I just got done with it. So, what I did was I started off with the yoga poses. The first one, like the yoga exercises, the first one was flapping our thighs. Then I did bending forward on the floor and trying to breathe in through nose and breathe out through our mouth for about like 4 5 breaths. Then I did like stretching our hands on both sides, then touching our legs as far as we can, like trying to touch our toes as far as we can. And yeah, these were the 3 exercises that I did. Then I went on to do Brahmari Pranayam. After Brahmari Pranayam, I did Nari Shodhan, and then I did Kapal Bhati, and then I went on to do the 5 minute pause meditation, which was actually today's homework. So, as you had said, that we should, do all these yoga exercises and all these breath works before we start meditating. So, that is the reason why I did all this, the yoga postures, Brahmari Pranayam, Nari Shodhan, and Kapalbhati. So, and Kapalbhati, you said that it helps us clear our negative thoughts from the forehead, and so that's why I did that. And then I did the 5 minute meditation that you had asked. That you focusing on our pause between the inhalation and exhalation, and manifesting through that. So I think I need some more time to get my focus better, but I was able to focus better now than in the morning on the pause. And I was trying to manifest. Let's see how it works out. And one great change that I've seen myself in these 4 days is, even though I go to bed like so I'm working from home, and I have like very busy day. I'm always busy. I'm always sitting in front of the laptop and working. And there were days like a week or two ago, till a week or two ago, I would feel very lethargic all throughout the day. I would feel very sleepy, very drowsy. I wouldn't have the energy to work. I wouldn't, I was not using my brain to the best of its ability. So, this course has really helped me not feel drowsy. Like, starting from Monday, I was very energetic. I was very excited and looking forward to the week. Of course, there were difficulties, but since I am more awake, more aware, so I'm able to handle those as well. And there are times when I get really scared. I'm like, oh my god, there's this problem, and I'm not being able to solve this. What should I do? So in those times, I just believe in myself, believe in God, believe in the universe, and that's how I'm able to find a solution and then deal with it. So yeah, so this is a great change in me, that I'm, despite of not sleeping enough, I am not feeling drowsy or sleepy. I feel this change is there in me because of meditation. I'm more awake and more aware, and this is something that I would like to say. This is a great change, and I really can't thank you enough for this change. Like, this has brought in, like it has increased my productivity a lot. So I would really like to thank you, and slowly I would get even more productive as I want to be. So this was a great change in me. Thank you so much. And also today's like the meditation homework that I did was really really calming for me. The pausing, like there's this Hindi word ठहराव, वो चीज, that was like I was feeling that pause. Like, like we are all throughout the day, we are hustling, we are running a rat race, but that pause just made me feel like, come and settle down in the present. Just calm down. It's okay. इतना कुछ आसपास चल रहा है, इतना affected होने का कुछ नहीं है. Just settle down and calm down. So that is what this pausing exercise taught me today. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I'm really, really grateful to you.